Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Fuzzy from Fuzzy Ghost Models here. Just got back from the Rocky Mountain Model Expo in Salt Lake City. Got to meet Philip from Pronghornprinting, and War Dog Modeling is his modeling thing, but Pronghornprinting, he makes these beautiful, I don't know what you call them, stands for doing models, and he has three types. There's one for ships, one for auto, and one for aircraft. I pick up a ship one, and we'll look at the aircraft one in a minute. But these things are fantastic, and as you can see, the little rubber bumpers, they're little O-rings instead of being some kind of padding. I've had these things in the past that have not worked out. They have slipped off, and the padding is stuck to the paint and whatnot. But this thing is really well engineered. And we're just gonna show you how this works, and we'll see if it's worth your money. So here I've got a little 350 scale. Basically, it's a Russian sub. It's a nuclear ballistic missile sub, and I've already set it up on the side here. That's got for the smaller clamps. So if you want to use 700 scale. 700 scale ships, it's got a really tiny clamp on it on this side, and it really just fits in nicely. Just like that, and that'll hold your model secure while you're doing decaling or painting or throwing some photo etch on it. Really, really nice. I love the way it's engineered for sure. So let's take this off. All right, now this is a 350 scale Nagato, and what I'll do is I'll tighten the one side up first, and then the other. And now, as you can see, I've got a nice sturdy base, and I can keep my hands free because doing photo etch railings is really tricky, and I can even be careful with this. Once you get it set up, you don't have to adjust it too much, but we'll just tilt it a little bit like this. If you want it this way, and there we have it. It's all nice and sturdy, and I can work on it. If I wanted to work on it this way, I can use some decking or some railing, or even this way if I had some stuff on the side to do. So this thing is absolutely fantastic. Like, doing ships in this manner, always a pain to have it just sitting on your bench, and this way it raises it up, locks it in place, and you got two hands free to work on your stuff. And it's very, 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 very well engineered. I highly recommend it. I'm going to be using this a lot, and it's pronghornprinting.com, and like I said, Philip does three different sets. There's one for ships, one for cars, one for aircraft. So I'm going to spin this, and we're going to look at the aircraft one. Okay, hang on. All right, now back here again with the pronghornprinting.com. This is the aircraft work stand. Very well constructed, went together beautifully. It's rock solid, and it's got these wonderful bumpers on it, which these O-rings, which I friggin' love. Like, great thinking there, Phil. And so we'll see what a 32nd scale starfighter looks like on the stand. And that's great. I can have it sitting instead of, now this isn't glued together, it's just taped together, the kit, but it's sitting nicely. Like, it's not gripping it, but it's not going to go anywhere. So if I want to do some even spraying in the airbrush booth, I can, instead of holding it, I can use this. Also, doing all the decals, if you're ever going to do a phantom, you know what a pain in the butt it is for all the stencils, you got to get one of these. Also, let's look at it, something different. So this is the 48 scale A10 kit, right? So we can just make a quick adjustment. And we're good. Got a nice stable stand to work on things with, and the adjustability on this is fantastic. It's got basically good solid bolts, has main construction, height adjustment, got height adjustment on all four sides. So, and then you've got a slider for different, this is at max, you can get something real small. So if, say you're working on the cockpit tub, or like this F-15, this F-15 here, could even get it so close, flip these around, and this cockpit section, if you were to work on it, this is the Great Wall Hobbies kit. I can slide that in and I could have that sitting there, or I could even use the ship one for this. I would highly recommend both of these. Go over to pronghornprinting.com. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're building a ship of any kind, ship, submarine, something long and slender, some sci-fi models, an Enterprise, this ship kit or stand, it's a must-have. It's so well engineered, All can slide in. You can do really, really tiny 700 scale ships, like a 700 scale little World War II or World War I destroyers. It'll get down that small. Or 350 scale ships. I think you could probably even, I don't know if you could fit a modern carrier. It is pretty wide. That is pretty wide. So that, and then having the aircraft stand, doing decaling or whatever else. Like, this is fantastic. Flipping upside down, doing landing gear. These go up and down. So anyway, Philip, thanks for being at the show and introducing me to these. I did buy these. I highly recommend you buy these. Phil's a great guy, and this is a quality product. So pronghornprinting.com, and then Philip's personal modeling on Instagram is War Dog Modeling. Both links will be in the description. That's all my little ranting and blathering on about that for now. The eye's getting a little better, still seeing double when it's farther this far away. So if you saw me at the Model Expo and I was looking a little funny, it's because my eyes were a little messed up. But it's getting better. Hopefully in the next couple months we'll be back to normal and I'll be able to drive again. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.